Okay, so very good afternoon, good morning, good evening. So we are going to discuss about cell cycle in human anatomy physiology unit 1. Unit 1. Cell cycle. Cell cycles, in cell cycle what happens, these are the series of the events which are happening in the cells, and that results in division of the one cell into the two cells, right? So what is cell cycle? It's a cycles in which there is a series of events are happening, and after these series of the events your one cells will be converted into the two cells. So there is a mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis, when we talk about your cells, where these undergo the process of mitosis, and meiosis when we talk about the germ cells. So cell cycles, particularly these are the series of event in which cells undergoes, and finally one cell will divide it into the two cells. So what happen in the cell cycles? So there are different phases. So one is your G1 phase, another phase is your S phase, another phase is your G2 phase, another phase is your M phase. It goes under the process of mitosis, and then again. So this is a cycle. So it's a cycles in which series of event happening, and during that one in mitosis your one cells will be converted into two cells, right? Your one cells will be divided into the two cells. So there is a G1 phase, S phase, G2, M phase, right? So that is your cell cycle. So we are going to discuss what happened in the G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, M phase. So what happened in the G1 phase? So G1 phase, so as I said, cell cycle में क्या हो रहा है, आपके एक सेल दो सेल्स में कन्वर्ट हो रहे हैं उस साइकिल्स में. तो ऑब्वियसली व्हेन योर वन सेल इज कन्वर्टिंग द टू सेल्स, सो यू नीड ऑल द मटेरियल डबल, राइट? सो आपको सारा मटेरियल डबल चाहिए, वेदर इट इज डीएनए, वेदर इट इज ऑर्गेनेली, वेदर इट इज साइटोप्लाज्म, व्हाटएवर इनसाइड द सेल्स. व्हेन यू आर डिवाइडिंग वन सेल इनटू टू सेल्स, you need all the materials double, right? So G1 is a phase in which G1 is a phase in which cell is preparing for what? Cell is preparing for synthesis of materials. So G1 is a phase in which cell is preparing for what? Preparing for synthesis of material which is required, right, for the divisions of the cells. So as I said, cell अगर एक से दो करने हैं आपको, तो ऑफ कोर्स आपको हर मटेरियल डबल चाहिए. डीएनए की बात करें, ऑर्गेनेली की बात करें, साइटोप्लाज्म की बात करें, सारा मटेरियल डबल चाहिए. तो G1 इज ए फेस. G1 वो फेस है जिसमें सेल प्रिपेयर कर रहा है. प्रिपेयर किस चीज़ के लिए कर रहा है? कि मैं ये जो मटेरियल है कौन कौन सी चीज़ें मुझे डबल करनी है, कैसे करनी है. दैट इज़ द प्रिपरेशंस ऑफ द सेल्स. दैट इज़ द G1 फेज. So again, very clear, it's a cell. In G1 phase, cell is preparing for what? Preparing for the synthesis of the material which is required to divide into the two cells, right? So next phase is your synthesis phase, and as its name indicate, so during this phase your all the materials will be synthesized. जैसे आपको कहीं पे सामान लेने जाना है, तो सामान लेने से पहले आप कहीं मार्केट जा रहे हो, तो आप एक लिस्ट बना रहे हो कि मुझे ये सामान चाहिए और इतनी क्वांटिटी में चाहिए. तो वो जो आप लिस्ट बना रहे हो, प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, दैट इज़ योर G1 फेज, राइट? फिर सिंथेसिस फेसेस, जो आपने सामान ले लिया, जो आपने वहाँ से सामान ले लिया, दैट इज़ योर सिंथेसिस फेज, वेयर सेल इज सिंथेसाइजिंग वट एवर द मटेरियल इज रिक्वायर्ड. जो आपने प्रिपेयर किया था कि ये मटेरियल मुझे डबल चाहिए, ये मटेरियल मुझे इतना चाहिए, तो एस इज ए फेस. एस इंडिकेट इज द सिंथेसिस. Synthesis of what? Synthesis of the material which is required, right? So all synthesis will be happen in the S phase. Now cell has synthesized. इसने न्यूक्लिक एसिड डबल बना लिया, आपके ऑर्गेनेली डबल बना लिए, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया भी दो चाहिए, स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम भी दो चाहिए. तो all चीज़ें, all things has been prepared in the S phase. Now all the material has been prepared. Now next phase is G2 phase. So what happened in the G2 phase? G2 phase is again your planning phase, or now cell is preparing, again cell is preparing. but cell is now preparing how to divide the synthesis material into two equal parts. So G2 is a phase where cell is preparing for distributions of the synthesis materials into two equal parts, right? And G1 is a phase. So what is the difference between G1 and G2? In G1 is also a preparatory stage, means it's a again G1 में भी आपका सेल प्रिपेयर कर रहा है, पर प्रिपेयर किस चीज़ के लिए कर रहा है? प्रिपेयर कर रहा था कि सिंथेसिस ऑफ द मटेरियल. और G2 phase, in G2 phase cell is preparing how to divide the synthesized material. That is the difference between G1 and G2 phase. I hope it's clear. So G2 phase, then so your synthesized material, how it will be distributed in two equal parts. Then cell will enter into the M phase, and M phase is your PMAT, right? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So these are the different phases of the mitosis, and during these phases your one cell will be divided into two cells. So if you see prophase, in prophase what will happen? Your chromatin will condense, your nuclear membrane is going to dissolve. Metaphase, your centrioles will be formed and all the materials is going to be intact and going to be loose. And then anaphase, your material, your double stranded things, your chromosome is double, so it is going to be apart from each other, right? Because you have to distribute equal material to the two cells, right? And then in the telophase your cells will be divided. So there is two things. One is cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is a process by which cell is dividing into two parts. Your cytoplasm, everything organelle all are divided. And mitosis means your nucleus is divided into two phases, right? So that is the difference between mitosis and cytokinesis. Cytokinesis में आपका cells सारे organelle सब कुछ आपका material जब divide हो रहा है, that is cytokinesis. Cyto means cells, and your mitosis, your DNA materials, your DNA is divided into two parts. So again, if I explain it, so as I said, there is a first phase is your G1 phase, and in G1 phase your cell is preparing for what? Preparing to synthesize the materials which is required to divide into two equal cells. Then there is a G2 phase. G2 phase is again a preparatory phase, but in this phase cell is preparing how to divide the synthesized material into two equal parts. Then it will enters into the mitosis, and mitosis have a different phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, right? And finally your one cells will be divided into two cells, right? But some cells is again enter into cell cycles, and some cells will leave these cell cycles and enter into the G0 phase, right? So in body there are some cells which will continuously in the cell cycle, G1 to S, G2 M, and G1 again S, G2. So these kind of cells be called labile cells. Labile cells. What are labile cells? Labile cells are those cells which are continuous in the cell cycles, and example for labile cells is your skin cells, your GIT cells, gastrointestinal tract cells. That is your labile cells, right? The cells which are continuous in the cell cycle, right? Then there is a stable cells. So what are stable cells? Stable cells are those cells which divide G1 to S, G2 M, and they leave the cell cycle. And enter into the resting phase, that is your G0 phase. Labile cell वो सेल थे जो कंटिन्यूसली सेल साइकिल्स में एंटर किए हुए हैं, जैसे आपके स्किन सेल हैं, GIT के सेल्स हैं, दैट आर दी labile सेल. बट देर आर सम सेल्स वो क्या करते हैं, वो इस साइकिल को लीव आउट कर देते हैं, लीव आउट एंड एंटर इनटू द अनदर फेस, एंड दैट फेस वी कॉल G0 फेस, G0 फेस. So G0 phase is your resting stage. So some cells divide and go into the G0 phase, and unless or until when there is no appropriate stimulus, these cells will not enter into the cell cycles. So when there is an appropriate stimulus, these cells will again enter into the cell cycles. Again enter into the cell cycle. So that kind of cells we call stable cells. So what are stable cells? Stable cell वो cells हैं जो सेल साइकिल को लीव कर देते हैं, लीव करके वो जी नॉट फेज में होते हैं, दैट इज द रेस्टिंग स्टेज. बट वेन एवर देर इज ए एप्रोप्रिएट स्टिमुलस, जब कोई स्टिमुलस आता है तो वो अगेन एंटर इनटू द सेल साइकिल एंड अगेन इट विल बी डिवाइड. क्लासिकल एग्जांपल फॉर द स्टेबल सेल इज योर लीवर सेल्स, किडनी सेल्स, लीवर सेल्स like hepatocytes, liver cells को हम hepatocytes बोलते हैं, kidney cells your nephrons. So liver cells आपको पता है अगर लीवर को आप काट दोगे आधे से ज़्यादा तब भी वो रीजेनरेट हो जाएगा. So that is the stimulus. So whenever there is any stimulus, otherwise liver cell hepatocytes are in G naught phase. But when there is a appropriate stimulus, they again enter into the cell cycle and they again will be divide. तो वो again divide हो जाएंगे और नंबर बढ़ जाएगा. So that kind of cells we call stable cell. So one we have studied is the labile cells, another one is your stable cells. And there are some cells जो once they enter into the cell cycles, they leave the cell cycles. Whenever if you are giving any appropriate stimulus, anything, they will not enter into the cell cycle. कुछ भी कर लो आप, वो cell cycle में आएंगे नहीं. They will remain in the G0 phase. And that kind of cells we call permanent cells. Permanent cells. So what are permanent cells? Permanent cells are those cells, they are in the resting phase. Even you are giving appropriate stimulus, you are trying your best to enter the cell into the cell cycle, they will not enter. तो वो एंटर ही नहीं करेंगे. That kind of cells we call stationary cells, permanent cells. And permanent cell classical example is your neurons. Neurons is your permanent cells, right? Your myocardial cells, these are your permanent cells. Even you are giving any stimulus, anything, you are trying your best, क्या आप neurons को regenerate कर सकते हो? नहीं कर सकते, right? Unless and until you have a stem cell. So stem cells के through आप कर सकते हो, but otherwise you can't force the cell to enter into the cell cycle, whatever the stimulus have. So there are three types of cells: labile cells, stable cells and permanent cells, right? So these are the cells, permanent cells, neurons, your myocardium cells. They will not enter in the cell cycle even if you are giving the appropriate stimulus. And whenever these G1 phase, there are a checkpoint as well. There are a checkpoint. So checkpoint are those points where cell will check is everything is correct or not. यहाँ पे आपने जो सिंथेसाइज किया मटेरियल्स, कोई डिफेक्ट तो नहीं है किसी मटेरियल में, सारा मटेरियल अच्छा है, क्वालिटी का है या नहीं है, दैट इज अ चेक पॉइंट. सो योर सेल्स विल कीप ऑन चेक वट एवर द मटेरियल यू हैव सिंथेसाइज, is it of good qualities or not. Good quality means everything is synthesized in a proper way or not. So these are the checkpoints, they will keep on check on your materials. So like that here when you are planning to synthesize, they will keep on check कि जो आप प्लान कर रहे हो सिंथेसाइज करने का तो उसको चेक करना, right? So these are the checkpoints and this is your brief introductions about your cell cycles. This is your cell cycle. So again if I repeat in Hindi, cell cycle क्या है? साइकिल है, साइकिल ऐसे गोल गोल साइकिल है. तो उसमें क्या हो रहा है, ऐसे इवेंट हो रहे हैं जिसमें एक सेल जो है वो दो सेल्स में डिवाइड हो जा रहा है. तो दिस इज बी कॉल्ड G1S and G2, we called it interphase. So cell cycle have a two parts. One is interphase. If we talk about cell cycles, so there are two parts. One is interphase, and another one is your mitosis, right? We are not talking about meiosis. We will discuss in upcoming videos about meiosis, where germ cells will divide through the process meiosis. We are talking about mitosis. So there are a cell cycle interphase and mitosis, right? There are two parts. So in interphase, what we have discussed, there is a G1 phase plus synthesis phase plus G2 phase. So this makes the interphase, right? And of course there is a resting phase as well, G0 phase. So this is your interphase. And interphase plus mitosis. In mitosis, what we have discussed, there is a prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Telophase, that we called for memory PMAT, right? So this all together will makes the cell cycle, right? Cell cycle. So cell cycle have a interphase and mitosis. In interphase there is a G1 phase. G1 phase कौन सा phase है? Where cell is preparing to synthesize the material. किस चीज़ के लिए prepare कर रहा है? कि synthesize करना है मुझे material डिवीजन के लिए, कि मुझे कौन कौन सी चीज़ें डबल करनी है, कौन कौन सी चीज़ें मुझे चाहिए. That is the G1 phase where cell is preparing. S phase is the phase as its indicate where cell is synthesizing the material. Cell has synthesized the material. जो जो चाहिए था, जो आपने लिस्ट बना रखी थी, वो synthesize कर ली. Now G2 is a phase where cell is again preparing, but in this case cell is preparing how to divide the synthesized material into the two equal parts through the process of mitosis. So if you see prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, so finally your cells will be divided into two parts, right? So DNA will be, your nucleic acids will be divided into two parts, your cells will be divided, and that we call cytokinesis as well. So this is brief about your cell cycles in your unit 1. Thank you. So this is about your cell cycles.